Identifying tone and mood through sentence structure. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we will delve deep into the world of creative writing, focusing on identifying tone and mood. One of the most overlooked yet incredibly powerful tools at a writer's disposal is sentence structure. Let's find out how the way a sentence is structured can set the mood and tone of the piece. Before we dive into sentence structure, it's crucial to understand what we mean by tone and mood. Tone refers to the author's attitude towards the subject or audience, which could be formal, informal, serious, playful, and so on. Think of it as the voice of the writer. Mood, on the other hand, is the emotion the writer wants to invoke in readers. This could range from happiness and excitement to sadness or tension. It's the atmosphere of the text. A short, choppy sentence can convey urgency or tension. He ran. Longer sentences often slow down the pace, giving a reflective or elaborate feel. As the sun gently set behind the mountains, casting a warm orange glow, he took a moment to savor the serene beauty of nature. Using a mix of short and long sentences can help create a rhythm, leading readers through a roller coaster of emotions. 1. Simple sentences. These are basic and straight to the point, often setting a clear, direct tone. Example: she sings. 2. Compound sentences. These join two related ideas, which can create balance or contrast. Example: she sings, and he dances. 3. Complex sentences. They contain one main clause and at least one subordinate clause. They can add depth and sophistication. Example: although she was tired, she continued to sing. 4. Compound complex sentences. These combine elements of compound and complex sentences. They can convey intricate relationships or layered information. Example: although she was tired, she sang her song, and the audience applauded. The choice between these structures can greatly influence the tone, informative, reflective, complex, and mood, simplicity, tension, excitement. Punctuation can drastically shift tone and mood. 1. Exclamation marks, excitement or urgency, watch out. 2. Ellipsis, suspense or trailing off, I thought I saw. 3. Dashes, additional info or emphasis, she, and only she, knew the secret. 4. Colons, explanation or listing, she had 3 wishes: wealth, health, and happiness. Choosing the right punctuation can be the difference between a playful, mysterious, or serious tone. Remember, while words are crucial in conveying message and emotions, the structure of how we present these words is equally important. By mastering sentence structure and its nuances, you can become a more effective and emotive writer. We hope you found this lesson on identifying tone and mood through sentence structure insightful. Keep practicing, and happy writing!